Huawei P9 Lite 2017, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon, find and select the settings. Then from the following list, let's choose display and select here the wallpaper. Let's choose set wallpaper, and as you can see now you can select your wallpaper. You can use the gallery, or you can choose the wallpaper from the Huawei. Let me use the following one. Let's use this button, and you can choose this wallpaper for your lock screen or for your home screen. Let me use on my lock screen, and basically that's it. Now you need to wait a few seconds. You can also randomly change home screen wallpaper if you would like to. This is also a really interesting feature. Here you've got the interval, and you can select also the album. Let me use the wallpaper album, and basically that's it. Now if you press the power key, you should see new wallpaper on your lock screen, and your home screen wallpaper will change every 5 minutes. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.